Hello everyone, I'm excited to share a quick demo of my latest project, a serverless data analytics pipeline using AWS. So it's designed to process and visualize data on the fly using a scalable, fully managed backend. As the goal of project was to simulate real-time data ingestion, processing, and display it live on a front-end dashboard. I used a Faker bot to generate a mock data and send it to the AWS using programmatic access keys. From there, the data flows to a completely serverless architecture. So from ingestion to transformation and storage and is finally visualized live on the web dashboard. So let's go through the AWS services I used. So I have used Amazon Kinesis, which I set up to create a data stream that ingests the JSON records sent by FakerBot. I generated an access key and secret for programmatic access and used this in FakerBot to push mock data directly into the Kinesis stream. So where did I use the FakerBot? So I used it through the notebook. This is the code for generating the random data, and these are the access keys which I used. So that these push the mock data directly into the kinetic stream. And the next service I have used is the Lambda functions. I created a function that is triggered by the Kinesis stream. In the function code, I pass the incoming records, process or transform the data as needed, and then write the processed items to DynamoDB. While setting it up, I added Kinesis as an event source for the Lambda function and increased the batch size for better performance. So, and to monitor the logs, we have to use the CloudWatch. This helped me debug issues like malform records or permission errors. I also created custom metrics to track invocation, count, and success rate. As you know, the DynamoDB is where I store the process data. I created a table with simple primary key like ID or timestamp and made sure to provision on-demand capacity so it auto-scales. Lambda writes new records here and the front end reads from it. So then we have the Amazon API gateway where I created a REST API and added a new resource like a get data. Then and I have set up a get method that's integrated with a Lambda function. This Lambda function reads from DynamoDB and returns the latest records to the front end. I enable cores, deployed the API to a stage, and copied the endpoint to use the React front end. So, so I'll show you the demonstration. So here we have to first install the module FakerBot. Then after that, after we run the code, this data, this code is for the Kinesis data stream. So for a while let it run. So now these records are sent to Kinesis where they are picked by the Lambda function, transformed and stored in DynamoDB. So here where I have used the Kinesis stream. See, as you can see, the metrics are working. The get records are working as well. I have created Lambda functions to for Kinesis stream and get Dynamo data. And in here for the Lambda process Kinesis stream, I have triggered it with using Kinesis. And one is for the API gateway. As now I've already sent it the data, I'll show you how the data is displayed. So we have to proceed explore the data tables to see if the data is missing. See, it's working. As if you want to know how to check in the logs, you can see it will be in this format. And this is the front end where the data table is shown. And I have added some line charts and bar charts. As for the backend, I have added the API gateways now. So it's in a working condition. So this is the public link. And it's being shown in the real time. Yes. Yes. So this project helped me explore real-time architecture, serverless design, and how various AWS services can work together seamlessly. So thanks for watching. I did love to hear your thoughts or connect if you're working on anything similar. Feel free to check out the GitHub repo or drop any questions in the comments.